Marhaba. In this video, I just wanted to reach out to every one of you who watches my videos and thank you. Your support is what keeps me going. I really wasn't expecting this much love, let alone seeing more than 100 of you have subscribed. Thank you. And for that, I want to ask for a favor. I would love to hear your feedback about my content. Whether it's bad or good, I welcome it. Actually, the more you criticize, the better. Helps me improve. Whether it's about the sound quality, if I'm talking too fast, the words unclear, not giving enough examples, maybe you want me to focus on a certain style. Whatever it is, please share your thoughts. And the comments that I have been receiving are really heartwarming. Thank you all again. Anyway, since I'm here, I have to do a quick reminder for everyone who has been following me and any beautiful new joiners. I want everyone to keep this in mind when watching my videos, as I don't want anyone getting confused. I use English numbers to present certain letters in Arabic. So don't be scared when you see a word with a number in it. The number definitely refers to a letter. For example, number 7 refers to the letter Ha, as they look very similar. Some examples: hummus, hayati, حلم, صريح, صريح. Number 2 is Hamza, also looking similar, but flipped or inverted. Right? So Alif is presented as number 2 as well, as it has Hamza in it. Some examples: Asad, إجر, إجر, سؤال, سؤال, رائع, رائع. I also use number 3 for the letter Ain. Also looks the same but flipped or inverted. Arabi, Arabi, جوعان, جوعان. وجع, وجع راس, headache, وجع راس. And a fun fact about the letter Ain, Ain also means eye. So Ain for the letter and Ain for eye. An eye for an eye. العين بالعين. العين بالعين. العين بالعين. Now, there's a lot more. We got really creative with them over the years, such as number 5 for Kha, as number 5 in Arabic starts with Kha, Khamse. And we also use the number 3 with an apostrophe for the letter Ghain or Gha. You see what we did there? But I won't be using them. Don't want to confuse you even more. So I'll be using KH for Kha and GH for Ghain. Keep it a bit simple. Khamis, Thursday. Khamis. And Ghabe. Ghabe for forest. Again, please keep those in mind for future videos. And if you do share any of my videos with anyone, please share this one as well so they know. Anyway, I want to thank you again for the support. Shukran min qalbi, from my heart. Thank you. Shukran min qalbi. And I'm waiting on your feedback, please. Salam.